We wanted to bring Ready for Kindergarten to our community because it's a partnership. It actually builds the parent up as the educator. Before your kids even enter here, we want you set up for success. And this Ready for Kindergarten program is one of those first steps for us. And so the parents are getting that as a tool. Hey, these are programs, these are things I can do with my kid on a really easy basis. And they're teaching me how to do that, how to be successful.
It's very empowering to give them that head start and not feel like their education is solely going to be through their primary school years or through later in life, that we can start it now at home.
D for dog.
D for dog? Hey, you know what? I think these are...
We have to mix them up.
I think these are letter sounds. What's that letter sound? I think the biggest things that I'm getting from the Ready workshops is that I'm more cognizant that I need to participate. Especially right now, these are critical years to get this learning in.
Because so many of our kids are not necessarily going to daycares or preschools, or their parents are just both working. Their priority is to make sure there's a roof over their kid's head and food on the table. And so spending time with them doing academic things hasn't been the priority. And so the kids are not coming to school ready. They don't know how to hold pencils. They don't know that they're looking at a book right side up. Even how to play games, taking turns. Some of those are the foundational skills.
Okay, so remember, we're not going to do thunder grip. We're going to do cradle. He definitely has been benefiting a lot from the Ready program, not just academically, but also socially and emotionally. And that was something I didn't expect from the program. I thought it was purely, know your numbers and maybe get your letters. I feel like there's so many opportunities to incorporate so many different kinds of learning aspects. And to him, he's not even seen how much we are incorporating. And I think that's kind of the magic of the Ready program, is that they ask us to pay attention to the smaller details, even the emotions that are coming into this, what characters are feeling when we're reading certain books, maybe try to read a couple of the words themselves, pay attention to the letters.
Yo creo que entonces es muy importante que ellos tengan un campo de visión y que puedan ver.
So we have 2 of the 5 classes are in Spanish. To give our Spanish-speaking families the opportunity for a program just like the English-speaking families, it's great.
Every activity we have at home can be a learning opportunity as long as you're cognizant that it can be.
So it's a win. It's a win for your teachers. It's a win for your parents. It's a win for sure for the kids. And that's really what we're all talking about, is what's best for kids, and having them ready for kindergarten is what's best.
All right, let's try. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That's one of my favorite sounds because it goes like this. Good.
Go.
Good.